Emails are the primary form of communication used by businesses worldwide and are a crucial part of any business organization. With Sherpa RPA, you can automate your communication processes and potentially achieve instant response to requests.
In Sherpa Designer, there are 3 ways to work with email. The first way is the email palette. Here there are blocks for receiving mail via POP3 and IMAP protocols. To receive emails, you need to specify the mail server address, username, and password. Here you can also limit the number of received mails, specify that you want to get only unread messages, or from a specific folder, or with a specific subject. Also, you can specify the required actions on the mail server after you receive mails. Mark them as read or delete. Received mails will be stored in a list type variable. If we print that in a message box now, we will see a list of basic information about the received mails, the sender's name and address, and the subject of the mail. This is a simplified view. Using hints from the expression guide, we can, for example, get the contents of the certain mail using its index. To send an email, use this block. Here you also need to specify the server settings and credentials, as well as the sender and recipient addresses, subject, and body of the email. If the email body contains HTML tags, check this box and the content will be interpreted as HTML. The second method is the Exchange palette. If your mailbox is located on an Exchange server, you can use these blocks in the same way as explained above, but make sure to correctly specify the version of the server you're using. Third option is the Outlook palette. This method is convenient because you don't have to specify any credentials or server settings, but it only works on computers that have Microsoft Outlook installed. All you need is to specify the address of the mailbox configured in the Outlook and the folder name. Practice time. Let's start with the IMAP mail receiving block. I already have the server settings and credentials filled in. I will specify that I want to get the last 100 emails, only unread ones, and mark them as read. Also, I want to get only the emails containing form request number 15 in the subject. Let's check. Good. I will make them unread again. Now, I want to reply to each of those emails. I will add the familiar for each loop, but this one is special for the list type variable. Each message will now be stored in a loop in the item variable. Let's add a block to send mail and fill in the connection data. As recipient's email, I will specify the variable item from address. The subject of the message, plain text. Email body, plain text with HTML tags, merged with the variable item from name. In the attachment field, let's specify the path to the file. All that's left is to close the loop and launch. It looks like I've got new mail.